Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use grounded theory in your dissertation. Grounded theory is a popular research methodology used in the social sciences, and it can be a powerful tool for analyzing complex data. However, it can also be quite challenging to apply effectively, especially if you're new to the methodology. That's why in this video, we'll be sharing some guidelines and best practices for using grounded theory in your dissertation. First, let's quickly define grounded theory. It is a qualitative research methodology that aims to develop a theory or explanation grounded in data. This means that instead of starting with a preconceived hypothesis or theory, you start with data and develop a theory based on that data. Grounded theory is particularly useful for exploring complex social phenomena such as the experiences of marginalized groups, organizational culture, or the process of decision-making. The first step in using grounded theory is data collection. This can involve interviews, focus groups, observations, or document analysis, among other methods. The goal of data collection is to gather rich, detailed data that can be analyzed in depth. It's important to be systematic and thorough in your data collection, but also flexible enough to adapt to unexpected findings. Once you have collected your data, the next step is to begin coding. Coding involves analyzing the data and assigning labels or codes to different sections or themes. In grounded theory, coding is an iterative process, meaning that you will go back and forth between coding and data collection as you refine your codes and identify new themes. It's important to stay open-minded and avoid preconceptions about what the data should look like. After you have completed initial coding, the next step is axial coding. This involves organizing your codes into broader categories or concepts. You may also start to develop relationships between the different concepts, such as cause and effect relationships or sequential processes. The final step in the grounded theory process is selective coding. This involves refining your categories and concepts and identifying the central theme or core category that ties everything together. This core category should be able to explain the data in a meaningful way and provide insights into the phenomenon you are studying. Now that we've gone through the basic steps of grounded theory, let's discuss some best practices to keep in mind. Stay open-minded. As we mentioned earlier, it's important to approach the data without preconceptions or biases. Stay open to unexpected findings and be willing to adjust your coding and categories accordingly. Be systematic. Although grounded theory is a flexible methodology, it's still important to have a systematic approach to data collection and analysis. This will help ensure that you are collecting comprehensive data and that your analysis is thorough. Keep detailed notes. Grounded theory can involve a lot of back and forth between coding and data collection, so it's important to keep detailed notes on your thought process and decisions. This will make it easier to go back and review your work as you refine your analysis. Collaborate with others. Grounded theory can be a complex and time-consuming process, so it can be helpful to collaborate with others. This can involve working with a research team, seeking feedback from your advisor, or even reaching out to other researchers who have experience with grounded theory. So there you have it, some guidelines and best practices for using grounded theory in your dissertation. While it can be a challenging methodology to apply, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to finish your dissertation in 6 months or less. We hope to see you at the next video.